Hi, welcome back to our second segment of our candle making. This is 24 hours after we initially started our candle making, and I pulled the one out of the can that I made for you, that I illustrated, and then we have another one still in the can. So to get this out, I'm going to pull the pencil, in this case, out of there, and then I'm going to cut the bottom of this can off, and we will attempt to push the candle out of the can. Okay, now that we have the bottom of the can cut off, we're just going to simply push our candle out of the can, just like that. And you always want to cut your wick down to about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. And it should be ready to go. Kind of windy today, we'll see if it lights. And there you go. Well, happy candle making. I hope this works out for you as it did for us. And there you go, got 2 candles going, just like that.